Welcome back, students. The following data are related to the price and the quantities of 4 commodities in the year 2017 and 2018. Construct the following index numbers of price, for the year 2017 by using 2017 as a base year. They have given, we have to calculate last price index, Purchase index, Darvish and Bowley's index, Fisher-Ayl index. These two methods are not there, so we will not consider those. We have to calculate this by using these 4 methods. They have given us the commodity and the price and the quantity for 2 years, that is 2017 and 2018. Now what is 2017? It is a base year. So it will be 0. And 2018 will be the current year 1. 4 commodities, they have given us the price as well as quantity. So what is P? P0, Q, Q0, quantity. Whereas for current year it will be P1 and Q1. Now we have to calculate. We'll see the table. Commodities ABCD 2017. We need for Lasprey, Purchase, Darvish, Bowley, Fisher-Ayl index. So we have to calculate all 4. So we will take all the 4 information, price and quantity of both 2017 as well as 18, both. All the 4 information we will take it. So price and the quantity of 2017, price and quantity of 2018. We should know the formula. First thing is we should know the formula. Main formula is Lasprey and Purchase formula. Why? In Darvish and Fishers, ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಸ್ಚೇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಸ್ಚೇದು ಯಾವುದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡುವ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? ಪಾಸ್ಚೇದು ಲಾಸ್ಪ್ರೇದು summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0. ಯಾಕೆ? ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಪ್ರೇಗೆ quantity will be the weight. Quantity of the base year will be the weight. When it comes to Purchase, quantity of the current year will be the weight. So we need P1 Q0. We have to calculate P1 Q0 and P0 Q0. Next is P1 Q1, P0 Q1. So these 4 things we have to calculate in this table. P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1. How will you calculate? Simple. P1 Q0 means P1 into Q0. Elli the P1? So P1, price of the current year multiplied by the quantity of the base year. So 6 into 100 will be 600, 5 into 80 will be 40, 5 into 60 will be 300, 9 into 30 will be 270. Yes. Next, P0 Q0, that is price of the base year into the quantity of the base year. Directly 5 into 100, 500, 4 into 80, 320, 2.5 into 60, 150, 12.0 into 30, 360. Similarly, we have to calculate P1 Q1, that is P1 into Q1. So how will you calculate? 6 into 150, 900, 100 into 400, 5 into 100 will be 500, 5 into 72 will be 360, 9 into 33 will be 297. Same way you have to calculate P0 Q1, that is price of the base year into quantity. Hope you all understood how to do it. You should know which is the base year, which is the current year. Then only you can calculate easily. Now after doing this, we have to find the total summation of all the 4 things. P1 Q, we have to find summation P1 Q0, you will get 1570. Similarly for P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1, we have to find the total. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1570 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 1330 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ 4 ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್, ಪಾಸ್ಚೇಸ್, ಡಾರ್ಬಿಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೌಲಿ, ಫಿಶರ್ ಐಡಲ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್. See here, last price. What is the formula? Summation, P, that is of last price, pays into the current price is equal to summation P1. Remember the formula, it is simple. Summation P1 divided by summation P0. ಇದು ಯಾವುದು? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಬೇಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ವೇಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ Q0 ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. P1 Q0 ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? 1570 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ P0 Q0. P0 Q0 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು? 1330 into 100. So when you divide and multiply by 100, you will get 118.05. This is last price method. Past chase method. Past chase ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? What is the formula? ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಸೇಮ್, ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು. This is for those who are not understanding it clearly. Okay, this will remain same. Instead of Q0, we are taking Q1 in past chase index. Okay, so the formula will be summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1. Now what is the value? We have total, we have taken the summation of P1 Q1, that is 2597, divided by P0 Q1. Total is 1726, 1726. Multiply by 100, you will get 119.18. Now comes to Darbish and Bowley's method. So now what happens here? What I said, Darbish and Bowley's method is the arithmetic mean of Laspre and Pasteur's method. What do you mean by arithmetic mean? Plus. What is Laspre's formula? Okay, so this thing has to be written here. Arithmetic mean, that is plus this Pasteur's, same thing you have to write here. You have to divide by 2, multiply by 100. Okay, you have to take Laspre's plus Pasteur, you have to divide by 2 into 100. Now what is the value you write here? Easy, no writing, no seeing, turning page, nothing. See here, this thing has to be written, only this thing and this thing. This both has to be written here under Laspre plus for Pasteur. Same thing has to be written here, divided by 2 into 100. Now we have to find the value of this. You will get 1.1805 plus again 2057 divided by 1726 ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 1.1918 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Divided by 2 into 100 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, is equal to 1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1.1805 plus 1.1912 divided by 2 into 100 ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 118.615 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So you hope you all understood Darbish and Bowley's method. Okay, it is simple. Just you have to take the Laspre and Pasteur's formula. You have to add the values divided by 2 into 100. Coming to the last, Fisher idle index. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Same. Laspre ಮತ್ತೆ Pasteur ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. Okay, same formula. Instead of plus, what I said, we have to multiply it. Instead of divided by 2, we are taking a square root. So what will be the formula? Square root of Laspre into the Pasteur into 100. Now what is the value of Laspre and Pasteur? This again will remain same. this will remain same. So what will you write? Same thing. So what you have written here, same thing you have to write here. Same copy paste, nothing different. Instead of plus, we are multiplying, take the square root into 100. So you will, when you divide it, you will get 1.1805 into 1.1918. Multiply first this. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ, ಯು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಏನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 118.61. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್, 1.1805 ಇಂಟು 1.1918 ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ನಂತರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 118.61 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ how to calculate simultaneously. I mean how to calculate it together when it is given. So this type of problem is very important for 15 or 10 marks.